Hello student, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. My name is Chandan Kumar Sahu, and today in this particular class we discuss the O-level module M2R5 web designing and publishing. So let's start the class. Uh, so in this class we discuss the web designing and publishing, that is O-level NILIT O-level revised syllabus M2R5. So in this particular topic we discuss the introduction to web designing, types and procedures of web designings, application of web designings, and their advantage and disadvantage also. So first of all we discuss the introduction to web designing. Web designing is the planning and creation of websites. Design includes both the principle of design, balance, content, emphasis, rhythm, and unity, and the design elements line, shape, texture, color, and direction. So a web designing is a one type of planning, that is important. A web designing is a one type of planning to create websites. Design include both principles and design. Okay. So in design part we first gives the importance of contents, contrast, emphasis rhythms, unity, balance, textures, color, etc. But putting this together, a web designer create websites. A web designers apply all of this to create a websites. A web designer use all of these elements to create a websites. But good web designers understand not only the principle of design but also the contents of the web. Okay. So a good web designer understands the principle of web designing and the contents of the web. Okay. Web designing is a process of production and maintenance of websites. Web designs, again the definition, it is a one type of good definition of web designing. A web designing is a process of production and maintenance of websites. In 1989, whilst working at CERN, Tim Berners-Lee proposed to create a global hypertext project, which later became known as World Wide Web. So the developer of World Wide Web is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, so it is a very important question for O level. Who is the developer of www? That means Tim Berners-Lee. During 1991 to 1993, the World Wide Web was born. It is also a GK question. It is also an important question normally asking in O level and other competitive examination. In 1991 to 1993, the World Wide Web was born. Okay. In 1996, Microsoft released its first competitive browsers, which was complete with its own features and HTML tags. In 1996, Microsoft launched their own web browsers, and that is fully completed loaded features and HTML tags. It was also the first browser to support style sheet. This web browser was the first web browser to support style sheet. It also support style sheets. Okay, so move on to the next slide and discuss. So introduction to internet. The next heading is introduction to internet. The internet is the global system of interconnected computer network. That means when a computer connected to another computer, then that also connected to another computer globally, this type of procedures, global systems, this type of global systems, or that is called interconnected computer networks, that is called internet. So what is internet? Very simple definition. An internet is a interconnected computer network globally. It is a one type of global system. The internet is the backbone of the web. The technical features that makes the web possible. At its most basic, the internet is a large network. The internet is a large network, and it is also the backbone of the web. It is also the backbone of the web. Internet is the backbone of the web, and it is a one type of large network, global large network of computers with communicate to all others. Computers and other nodes. Okay, other nodes also. Every network device in a network is called node. 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 That means every network device, that may be a mobile phone or maybe a computers, all are the called node. Okay, so the internet is a large network of computer which communicate all other node, all all other together, communicate all other together. Okay, so this is the a diagram of internet. It is a local area network and it connected to internet and some other nodes. Okay, node 1, node 2 and node 3, that is one type of level, that is a one type of terminal level, that is also some other countries server. Okay, so the total interconnected network, a node connected to another node and that also connected to another node, this type of procedure is called internet. Okay, that is also an example of Venn diagram of internet. So, okay, move on to the next slide. So the next is computer network use internet protocol. Of course, it is a very essential. Computer networks always used internet protocol. Internet protocol means it is a one type of unique address. So computer network is a protocol. Computer network use internet protocol to link device worldwide. It is the protocol used for link purpose. What is protocol? Protocol means it is a one type of set of rules. Set of algorithm. It is called protocol. Okay. It is a network to network. It is a network of network. What is that? Means computer network is a network of network. Consists of private, public, academic, business, government networks of local to global scope. That means it may be, the computer network may be private, may be public, academic, may be business oriented, may be government organization, government network or other local network to global scope, to connected global. Okay. The internet carries a vast range of information, resources and service. It carries a vast range of huge amount of informations, resources and services, such as the interconnected hypertext document. That means all are the interconnected hypertext document and application. The World Wide Web, electronics, mail, telephony and files sharing. Normally internets are used in electronic mail, telephony and file sharing technique, and use wire or wireless or optical connection technology. Nowadays, internet are provided by through optical connections, okay, and wireless connections. Wireless may be wire connections, may be wireless connections, or optical may be optical connections. Three types of technology are used to interconnect one node to another node in a computer network. Okay, so we discuss the history of internet. What is the history of internet? Okay, it began 1970 to 1980. The internet comes it introduced in between 1970 to 1980. The internet as we know it today began as the ARPANET. Okay, the first internet was called ARPANET. That means advanced, full form is very important. So you write down it or remind it. Okay, the Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The Advanced Research Project Agency Network is the first internet technology built by a division of the Department of US Defense. Many local area networks it was normally introduced by US Defense. Okay, many local networks connected to the ARPANET with TCP/IP. Nowadays, many other networks are connected with ARPANET by the help of TCP and IP. TCP/IP is a one type of internet protocol. Okay, TCP means transmission control protocol and IP means internet protocol was developed in 1974. TCP/IP, that is also a very important question. TCP/IP was introduced in 1974. Okay, in the late 1970, the NSFNET, National Science Foundation Network, was developed. It is used to connect supercomputer. In 1993, the NSF created the Inter-NIC to provide internet service. Okay. Benton Gray Cap, widely known as the father of internet. It is also a very important question. Who is the father of internet? Benton Gray Cap is the father of internet. Crave is the co-designer of the TCP/IP protocol also and the architecture of the internet. Who is the architecture of internet? That means Benton Gray Cap. Okay, and otherwise called the father of internet, and the Cray also a co-designer of TCP/IP protocol. So move on to the next slide. So the first publicly available internet service in India was launched by state-owned Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. In India, first publicly BSNL was launched on August 1995. On August 1995, BSNL launched the first public network, public internet. Okay, to connect any computer to the internet, the telephone lines has to be connected to the internet service providers. That means some internet service providers provides internet in India. That is otherwise called ISP, internet service providers. For example, Reliance, Bharati Telecom, okay, etc. Internet service provider is a company that provides individual and other companies access to the internet and other related service such as website buildings and virtual hosting. ISP internet service provides internet individually or publicly and also provides website buildings and virtual hosting. Okay, so then we discuss the features of internet. What is the features of internet? What is the features normally available internet? Mail anywhere in the world, that is a very good features. Mail, we email anywhere in the world. Okay, in a moment, within a fraction of time, within a few moment. Okay, with the fastest mailing service of the world called email. By through email we provides our messages within a fraction of time, within a few moment worldwide, and we exchange the messages with another person through chatting. We also exchange our messages through chatting. Okay, transfer file to anywhere in the world. We transfer any type of file to anywhere in the world. Okay, find any information about any people's product, institution, countries, etc. We found any type of information from a particular people or a particular for a particular product or institution or country, etc. Call anywhere in the world. We also call anywhere in the world by through internet. Watch TV connected to people in just a moment. Okay, it is also a features of internet. Do shopping, also a features. Discuss and revise suggestion on our problem, also can suggest other to their problem by through internet. Features of all are the features of internet. So move on to the next slide. So, and some other features are: make an application for admission, pay your telephone bill by through internet, enjoy movies, music, play online games, all are the features of internet. Promote our product, that is called advertisement, by giving advertisement, okay, on websites, and view live map anywhere in the world. All are the features of internet. So move on to the next slide. Then the next is application of internet. Okay, internet service is refers as the facility you are available where internet service is refers as the facility you are arrived through internet. There are many kinds of internet facility we are alive nowadays. Okay, for example, online transaction and searching, ticket booking, e-commerce, all are the application of internet. In online transaction, all the financial companies or bank have been online making online transaction for a far away branch to its head branch. We use net banking also, that is also a good example of online transaction. Searching, when you need any kinds of information, you do find it on the certain websites or search it through search engine. That is the application of searching. We search anything in by through search engine in internet. Okay, that is a example of the application of internet. Ticket booking, we book airlines, railway, bus, movies, all tickets by through online. That is also a application of internet. E-commerce, there are number of facilities to communicate through online, sending email, chatting, sending free messages, free telephone call, voice, internet protocols, and so on. Internet products, we all are called e-commerce, e-communications. That is e-communication process. Video conferencing also a good example of e-communication process. So move on to the next slide. So another features is e-commerce. Another features is e-commerce, buying and selling goods and service through internet. That is called e-commerce. Through internet we can buy and sell anything online. There is a number of buyers and sellers. Web portal sends, we can also do advertisement of any brands or assets through various popular advertisement website. All are buying and selling goods and services through internet. We provide transfer money through internet. All are the example of e-commerce. So we discuss the advantage of internet in the next class and in our the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching, and the class is off.